This is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world, sewer cleaner. In India, this job is usually done by the Dalits, who are at the lowest stratum of society. It is also known as a death occupation because there are no professional tools available. They have to rely on manpower to clear the sewers. This dirty and tiring job only brings them a daily income of $3. Toxic gases can easily form in the sewers. Before entering, workers use a candle to check the oxygen level inside. If the candle does not go out, they will choose to go down. A simple helmet and coconut oil smeared on the body are all the protective measures they have, and even these basic protections are only provided by relatively strong teams. Most sewer cleaners work directly in the wells without any protection. The time spent in the well is extremely tough, with their bodies soaked in sewage and enduring the stench. Insects and rats in the well can crawl over their bodies. Every descent into the well is a risk to their lives. Although India banned manual sewer cleaning in 1993, the caste system continues to generate a large number of cheap laborers, making manual sewer cleaning an ongoing practice. As a result, many cleaners are employed illegally and do not have any job security. They cannot claim any compensation in case of accidents. For these sewer cleaners, perhaps they have no other choice in life but to silently do this dangerous work.
In the labyrinth of India's sewer systems, sewage cleaners face a gauntlet of occupational risks. Exposure to toxic gases, harmful chemicals, and disease-causing bacteria is a daily inevitability, leading to a host of health issues ranging from respiratory diseases to skin disorders. Yet they often work without proper personal protective equipment, a reality that amplifies their risk of injury and illness. Tragic accidents and fatalities are not uncommon, with the looming threat of toxic gases like methane and hydrogen sulfide. Sewage cleaners often receive low wages, reflecting the marginalization and exploitation they face. This low income perpetuates a cycle of poverty that is hard to break. A significant number of sewage cleaners belong to marginalized communities, including Dalits, and face caste-based discrimination and stigma. This discrimination limits their opportunities for education and alternative employment, trapping them in a cycle of hazardous work and poverty. Despite the prohibition of employment as manual scavengers and their Rehabilitation Act, 2013, enforcement remains weak. While there are government schemes aimed at rehabilitating manual scavengers and providing them with alternative employment opportunities, implementation has been inconsistent. Advocacy groups and NGOs tirelessly work to raise awareness about the plight of sewage cleaners, pushing for better working conditions, safety measures, and social inclusion. The introduction of mechanized cleaning equipment aims to reduce the need for manual labor in sewage cleaning, improving safety and reducing risks. Programs focusing on education and skill development for sewage cleaners and their families also hold promise, offering alternative employment opportunities and reducing dependency on hazardous jobs. The life of a sewage cleaner in India is a reflection of broader issues of social injustice and public health. Yet, every challenge presents an opportunity. Organizations and individuals advocating for the rights and safety of sewage cleaners play a crucial role in improving their quality of life and creating a more just and equitable society. It's time to rise to the call, support these efforts, advocate for change, and contribute to creating a world where no job is undignified, unsafe, or unjust. Because every life matters, every job matters. Remember, a cleaner world starts with cleaner sewers, but it doesn't stop there. It extends to cleaner, fairer societies as well.